Ever wondered what Bitcoin is and how it works? Here we enter a digital world where money is code with real value. Bitcoin, a digital cash, enables value transfer without banks or middlemen, just peer-to-peer transactions. Conducted over the internet and unhindered by geographical boundaries, Bitcoin is a solution to transfer value without needing any third. Now that we've introduced Bitcoin, dive deeper into how it functions. Physical cash has its limitations, and Bitcoin was designed to address those. Envision this: you're in New York, wanting to send money to a friend in Tokyo. With cash, you'd need to physically hand it over, a task impossible by distance. Traditional electronic transfers bring their own problems, fees, delays, and the need for trusted intermediaries like banks. However, Bitcoin was created as a solution. It's digital cash that lets you send value directly and instantly to your friend in Tokyo without intermediaries. Transactions are made on the Bitcoin network, a decentralized system operating on blockchain technology. This digital ledger records all transactions transparently, making it nearly impossible to cheat. Trust is established through mathematics and cryptography, not a central authority. Miners verify each transaction, solving complex mathematical problems. Bitcoin thus solves issues of distance, delays, costs, and trust in transactions. Bitcoin therefore steps in to provide a seamless, global transaction experience. At its core, Bitcoin is a unique blend of technology and finance. But what does this mean? Simply, Bitcoin is a software program designed to run an online network. Purpose: enabling the transfer of value between users. Created by Satoshi Nakamoto, it's more than just a program. Satoshi authored a crucial technical paper, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, introducing blockchain. Blockchain is a public ledger containing all Bitcoin transaction data. This technology allows Bitcoin to operate without a central authority. Transactions are verified by a network of computers worldwide. Additionally, the blockchain is immutable. Transactions can't be altered or deleted once recorded. This makes Bitcoin a trustless system, offering security and transparency. Essentially, Bitcoin is a financial system that uses blockchain technology on peer-to-peer network to enable secure transactions. So, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network using blockchain technology. The unique blend of technology and finance that makes Bitcoin such a revolutionary concept has just been explored. There's more to comprehend about Bitcoin, but we'll delve deeper in the next segment. Stay tuned. The Bitcoin network relies heavily on nodes and miners. Nodes can be visualized as librarians of the transaction library, the blockchain, ensuring each transaction follows Bitcoin protocol. Miners, on the other hand, are like workers who add new volumes to by creating blocks of transactions. They secure these blocks by solving mathematical problems, a competitive process known as proof of work. The first to solve gets to add the new block to the blockchain, and they're rewarded with newly minted Bitcoin and transaction fees. Their competition keeps the network secure, preventing any single miner from controlling the network, preserving Bitcoin's decentralization. Nodes and miners, therefore, are the backbone of the Bitcoin network. They maintain the integrity and security of this digital cash system. Security is paramount in Bitcoin's design. This digital currency operates on a principle of strong security measures. An essential element is public key encryption. In Bitcoin, every user has a unique pair of keys, a private one kept secret, and a public one shared with the entire network. Your private key authorizes your Bitcoin transactions, while the public key, derived from your private key, is what others use to send you Bitcoins. An added layer of security is your Bitcoin address, an encrypted version of your public key. You sign transactions with your private key, and others verify them with your public key. These cryptographic measures ensure the security of Bitcoin transactions. Owning Bitcoin comes with responsibilities. These mainly revolve around safeguarding your private keys, the digital keys to your Bitcoin wallet. It's crucial to store them securely, as losing them could mean losing your funds. Options include software wallets, storing keys on your computer or smartphone, and hardware wallets, storing keys offline on a USB stick. The former offers convenience but is prone to hacking, while the latter provides more security. Remember, the safety of your Bitcoin is in your hands. So that's a simple breakdown of what Bitcoin is and how it functions. Bitcoin, like digital cash, allows peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating trust issues with third parties. It challenges conventional finance with its decentralized aspect, removing intermediaries. Bitcoin's structure maintains network integrity, while its security measures ensure safe transfer and storage of value. Control of private keys is crucial for Bitcoin security. Bitcoin is a thrilling technology, a novel frontier in the digital era. Keep exploring and learning about Bitcoin. Forget to subscribe for more cryptocurrency content. Thanks for watching.